Okay, I have now received some eyepieces and I'm going to open it. So let's open and see. I guess it is a Televue. Okay, now I've opened this part. Oh, this is another box inside. So I'm going to open this box also. So let's open and see what is inside. Oh, this is a big boy. Let me just take it out. Impressive. Let me remove this, put it away. Okay, this is this. Lovely. Okay, let me see. Remove this wrapping. Let's see what is written. It's written Televue Visionary Nagler Type-5 31mm. So let me open and see what is inside. Okay, so what I can see here is a foam. Okay, I'll remove this. Oh wow, that's the king of the eyepieces. Let me put it back, the thing, and just bring it out. Ooh, wow, a whopper. Look at it. King of the eyepieces. Let me remove the... Okay, this is this eye cap. I removed. And I removed this other one also. This is quite heavy. Yes, this is a very good eyepiece. So far so good. I have to test it, but I will just have a look into the window just to see how it shows against the light. Okay, so far so good. The image is not bad. Quite good actually. Good eye relief also, I can see. I have a scale. Let's see what's the weight of this. The weight of this is 300. Oh no, that's by according to ounce. Let me just go unit gram. 930 grams without the caps. If I add the caps here, that adds to 941 grams. So 941 grams with the cap. Okay, the 31mm Nagler Type-5. I'm saying why it is the best king. The reason is that this is the maximum you can get in the field of view, actual field of view, in a 2-inch eyepiece, 2-inch barrel eyepiece. So anything bigger than that, you don't increase the actual maximum width field of view, maximum width of the field of view. So this is the maximum. It gives a better contrast. I have a 40mm max vision, which is equal to the 41mm panoptic, Televue panoptic. That's a very good one. It actually knocks down the Televue. But this one is a maximum you can get actually seeing it without losing contrast or anything. Lower magnification also means a little bit better than that. So I'm looking forward to test this. So far so good. The lens is looking very clean. Nice. I see several reflections, so that shows that how many lenses are there. The coating looks nice. Here the coating looks quite reddish purple. I get it against the light so it can be seen better. Complaint I want to say is that the Televue and many other manufacturers, the rubber they use has a lot of electrostatic electricity with this, so it absorbs dandruff, dust, anything. The one that I have seen with the Takahashi LE eyepieces, they don't absorb anything, and that means they're neutral. So I wonder why they don't use that. Both of these are made in Japan, so why they don't use that? That's a mystery to me. Or is the Televue cheapskating? I think they could do better with this eye guard. This is a rubber one. The same rubber in the Takahashi, different material, doesn't absorb so much rubbish, and it is electrically is neutral. These ones are charged. You can see it. Charged because they absorb any tiny particle, and you cannot remove them, no matter how much hard you try. Back in the box until I go for a test. Great eyepiece, and quite expensive, 450 pounds. Price of the new, I think, is 700 something, if you find it, of course. The view through the Televue 31mm Nagler Type-5. Let's see how it looks. So we are now going to have a look through the Televue eyepiece. Okay, this is through the Televue Nagler 31mm Type-5 eyepiece. Quite easy to place the camera, and I suppose that's the same for the eye. And it doesn't change anything, so you don't have blackouts or anything like any other eyepiece that they may have these problems. The image is very sharp, very good, bright. It's a cloudy day. It's around 6:30, and it's not particularly very bright. It's relatively dark. But the image is this, so acceptable, good, excellent. And that was the view through the Televue Nagler 31mm Type-5 eyepiece. I may later compare it with several other 30mm to 32mm eyepieces that I have. I later compare it with this University Optics 32mm conic 2 multi-coated eyepiece, and see how they will look. At the moment I can see that the coating is different. In Televue one is kind of reddish dark, and in this one is a greenish light green to blue coating.